Hi everyone, welcome back. Preetham here. After a long time, I quickly wanted to create a video about a recent website project that we completed inside Go High Level, and it was a long due video that had to be made for my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for everybody who subscribed us. We recently crossed 1,000 subscriber, which is crazy good. Love to have so many of you here. Uh, you know, Stay here because I'm going to create a lot of YouTube videos which are going to be helpful about creating funnels, website, landing pages, and automation on site Go High Level so that you can leverage your business to its optimum potential. Right. In case you do not know about me, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Preetham. Just go to preethamha.com and you will be able to understand more about what we do as a business. We specialize in creating funnels and website for our clients, and that's what we have been doing. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video as well, right? So yeah, this is a client who reached out to us, right? The client has already reviewed a lot of our work, knows me probably from Facebook or LinkedIn, I guess, and then he watched some of our videos. He loved what we do as a business. He loved our courses, training materials. There's so much actually to provide for people who want to learn about our level, but they wanted to hire a professional team like us in order to get something done, and they wanted to get their own website done. Now this is Omaha Sports and Game Events Company website. These people offer games and sports rentals, and they have a pretty sleek and amazing place to rent, right? And they wanted to maximize and show everything in depth. Not just that, they want to show that how open, how wide. It was very evident from the founder that he wanted to have more images, right? And wider images so people can actually see and experience even before they get to the event place. And that's exactly the reason why I also recommended having a video hero section, because you see what happens in a video hero section for a website is the moment you have something like this, you literally can, it seems like a virtual, right? It's a kind of a VR experience where you literally see everything about, the space, about the facilities and all that. And that's exactly what we planned. And as you can see, this looks stunning. When people see this, they want to come here, they get excited about this, and they want to book the dates right away. And that's exactly what we did. Our project includes everything from ideation, designing, copywriting, mobile optimization, calendars, forms, literally what you need for your website and landing pages. We got you covered. Right. So yeah, again, homepage to the space page, book page has like, book now page has like two more pages. Then we have contact us, right? Of course, the Omaha Sports and Games logo there, right? And then book your private event space, create. And by the way, if you see this, these are not really white, these are white then comes as grayish, right? We really like to add detailing to our projects, right, as much as we can, because without making things very complex for our clients. The reason for that is very simple, that we want to stand out from what people are doing. At the same time, give them something which is easier to handle, not too much of complex coding and all that, like bit of coding, right? And more of web infused work, which is built inside the native to high level builder, right? I mean, the structure, the design, the layout, the UI has more importance to play than the custom coding part, honestly, because there are many websites who provide, or many website builders that provide many features. But thing is, if you know how to make the most of it, then only you can make the most of it. As simple as that, right? Then yeah, book your space now, right? It just pops up your form here. The form has literally everything that you need in terms of putting the details. You put the details, you then go to the next page, which is the contact page, basically, right? And then you have this kind of trust badges. I love adding these kind of trust badges because it just builds up the trust and credibility, and since these are actual and real testimonial people, so why not add them, right? Then available for any kind of basically they are available for any day throughout the week, all hours. They are available 24/7. And we also wanted to showcase kind of an imagery of people of the games which is available in their event space, right? Because all of these adds clues to what we designed to our mindset, so we will just want to make sure that we are also adding it. And as you can see here, the availability, the colors and all is kind of a gradient tone texture that we are giving to the entire landing page. It comes to, hey, welcome to our game Heaven, and then we're showcasing all the important sections here. By the way, the section hierarchy that we have chosen in order to design this landing page basically means that bigger section, broader images hold more priority compared to smaller pages or smaller images, and then text, because you want to show people what's more important, what's the, the main attraction, and then the additional, the bonuses, the benefits, and then even more bonuses and benefits. So to give you a rough example, this is a broader section. The broader section has more bigger, more of text and all of that. So it kind of shows the entire thing into the picture. And then you have plus the smaller section. The smaller section kind of shows relatively low importance, but again, these are kind of benefits and bonuses. And then add-ons, available add-ons, again in form of text, so people can just see it, because if you keep adding images, it's just not going to look that great. We have to add hierarchy to it, and that's how we add hierarchy to web pages and design pages for our business clients, right? So yeah, whether it's free play, whether it's games, as you can see, all of this we have used a bit of CSS to it, because they just are not white. They are whitish, and then they kind of become silverish and grayish at the bottom, right? Same goes with the background here as well. They have a very, very big kitchen. They have quad screen. They have dining area, bring your own food and beverages, right? And plus they have, Wi-Fi, sound system, Apple TV, cocktail tables, and all that, which is what we have shown as, hey, these are important, but not more than these six important sections, right? And then we have available add-ons. These are the add-ons that people can also have, right? Apart from that, we also have another trust building section, because hey, if you remember, we wanted to have more of photographs, images, and videos and all that, right? So we have a lot of photographs of actual event that's happening, that happened actually in the event space. So we wanted to get not only those photos, but add it as so people can experience what has happened in the future, sorry, in the past, and people can see that what can happen for them in the future, right? So for example, 2 years of hosting parties, 400 plus events hosted, and 20 plus sports covered. Here, as you can see, these kind of images of what has happened already being displayed here to build up that uh, relevancy, that they have been in the business for these many years. They have done so many events. So check out how these events are, right? Apart from that, hey, they are also host different kind of events, right? And these different kind, it's important that you showcase these different kind of events, whether it's birthday parties, corporate, live events, network events, sports team, like family gatherings, team building, holiday parties. All of that needs to be displayed so that people can, so people do not have to think that, hey, can I have a holiday party in in this area, in this event space? Hey, can I have my fundraisers events in this event space? Can I have it? The answer is yes, because now it's very clear and evident that hey, you can have it, right? So that's how you basically show them that what's possible and what's not possible. And then hey, if you want to check out our awesome event space, and we have added this awesome inbuilt slider by the Go High Level, right? So Go High Level added this slider a few months back, and I love to. And there's a few changes. I reached out to the Go High Level support team because the corners of not working. In case you have seen all my other videos as well, what I was creating, but the corners could not be optimized. But then, hey, I reached out to the Go High Level team, making sure that this is globally corrected, because this was not an issue on my builder, rather a global issue. But it's strange to see that not everybody is reporting it. But hey, I'm here, your website and funnel guy. I'm gonna do that for you. But yeah, that's pretty much how it looks. Kind of looks really, really stunning, right? Really, really seamless and easy to see. So good job, Go High Level team. And then you have this awesome testimonial section. Just look at the background, right? And just look at this effect that kind of goes into it. I really love what we are able to put out for our client. It just looks really, really stunning. Apart from that, we have this end section, hey, that you're ready to elevate your event experience. Then kind of a collage section showcasing the entire building and all of that. At the bottom, you have the company, the social logos. We have, shortcuts so that they can just, go through all the pages from here itself. They have the address, the phone number, and email along with Google Map. That's exactly how we design these kind of websites, and I hope that you're able to understand better. Now, not just that, is also 100% mobile optimized. Basically means that the experience that people get with kind of a VR kind of experience with the video at the background, people are also going to get this at the in the mobile mode. So I'm quickly going to show that in the mobile mode so that you can have experience too. Okay, sorry about that. Let me just quickly show you that, right? So when you see this, this is what people see when they open when they open it on their smartphones. That currently we are using 14 Pro Max, and as you can see here, if I click on this, we have home, to the space, book now, contact us, right? Everything is just listed here in a very neat, clean fashion, right? Not just that, when we cross it, you will be able to see the entire video at the background being played and as well as the text on top of it. When you keep scrolling down, you will be able to see very neat, clean manner. We have organized all the sections. Kind of looks really pretty. A lot of you have been asking how much these kind of websites go for, anywhere between 2,000 to 3,000 to $4,000. It really depends on the number of pages and the level of customization that we need. So anywhere between 2 to 4, it should be a good price for a website of these kind of projects to be delivered to our clients. So in case you're checking and looking for trustable, go high level funnel website design partners, which we are actually already for 100 plus clients, so feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to see how we can help you out in the best way possible. Let me quickly take it on the top so that I can show you the rest of the pages too. Now we have another called as to the page. Now we are going to give an immersive VR experience here. For the VR experience, we just have a placeholder for now, but then once you create the VR experience, you're going to add the VR experience in this section, which basically means that people can literally come in and see what is going on like a map inside it, which is crazy good. The founder is still working on it, and once that's done, we're going to add that. Now, if we have two quick calendars here because you want because people want to get a 4-minute video call just to see this place, right? And then we have an in-person event, 10 to 15-minute tour so that they can see the space and they can talk to the people there and they can book the appointment or the time slots for the events, right? Basically what you do, right? And then if they have any other queries, they're going to go to the contact us here option, right? And then we have book now. In the book now, let's say we go to the event space. In the event space, they have different calendars. So we create all the calendars for this client, whether it's 3 hour event, 4 hour event, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And then we have the FAQs. A lot of these people have FAQs, so we just want to make sure that we can add all of these FAQs here. And then these are here, these scroll down, so that's something that you can see here, right? And then you have the hourly rates also mentioned here. Now people can check in. Let's say I want to check in the 6 hour event, and then when I click on the 6 hour event, it kind of shows me all the details, the logo, the event name, the details here, the timing available, and the timing to choose the slot. With that, we also have a customized, uh, you know, very well customized form, right? So and we also have the ability to collect payments there, right? So again, a lot of ton of features, and then we have a day pickleball rental pay so that people can rent this out when they need it. So for example, hey, book your 3,000 square foot wood pickleball court during the day, and then you also have the sliders going on just to show people that how exactly it's going to look like. Apart from that, we also have the calendar here that hey, you want to book here, so make sure that you book in here. Apart from that, we also have the contact us page. The contact us page is basically for anybody who's not sure but wants to get in touch so that the team can get back to them and they can work together. So contact us page, then we have beautifully designed these kind of icons. These are all custom design icons, guys. The entire product is custom design, and we have this kind of form inquiry, everything inside higher level. And then we have this large space showing people about how the event building is all about so that they can have an outside view as well. And we have added the details here too, right? So by the way, all of this is again 100% mobile optimized so that people can just experience everything in a simple and straightforward manner with their mobile version, right? That's pretty much how we did this project. In case if you're somebody who's looking to get and build funnels and website, if you're a marketing agency, you want to hire for white label projects, feel free to go to pritamha.com, book an appointment with me, and then just schedule the call. By the way, just know that we work with clients across the world. So we'll have clients from Australia to the US. Just make sure that you check AM, PM timing accordingly and then book a call with us. In case you have any question that you want me to answer, write down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Stay tuned for more amazing, crazy funnels and website videos, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.